guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can keyframe effects on CapCut PC. So you can't actually keyframe the actual effect, but you can actually just do this instead. Copy and paste your video and add the effect that you want. Maybe you can even wait, let me actually just separate these into clips first, so that you'll be able to, I'll be able to see. Wait, did I mirror it? Hold on. Oh yeah, I did. Press the wrong button. Sorry about that. Okay, that's good enough. So I'm going to copy and paste this on top. Then I'm going to add an exposure effect and maybe a blur as well. Select these, right click, create compound clip, and here is where you can keyframe your effect. Add a keyframe here, and then if you want the effect to fade out, just turn on the opacity to 0. So it goes like that, and then here again, I'm just going to split it, and then have the opacity at 100, and then about here, have it to 0. I'm just going to do it one more time, and then right about here, I'm going to put it at 0. And that's how you can keyframe effects. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!